In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize a course checkout page and a thank you page on Teachable. A checkout page is the page a visitor uses to enter his or her credit card and contact details when buying a product or service. My Calm Your Mind course at the moment is set to be free for enrollment. So, the visitors who enroll in this course won't see the checkout page but will skip it and they will see only the thank you page. On Teachable, in order to be able to edit a checkout page, I have to have a paid course. So, for the sake of exercise, I'm going to add a paid plan for this course. Let's say $9. By the way, you can choose multiple price plans to one course. In this particular case, visitors can choose to enroll for free in the course or to support you as an instructor. Now, let's get back to the checkout page and try edit it. This is how a Teachable checkout page looks like by default. Let's customize it. In this section, you can add testimonials, and when you add testimonials, you should ask the students offering testimonials if you can use their photos. If they accept, you can upload them here. Now, let's copy the testimonial we put on our Teachable homepage. Write down the name of the student, then save the testimonial. Then in this section, you can present some other benefits for your potential students if they enroll in this course, and save the changes. Then you can add some information regarding the money-back guarantee. That means if a student who enrolls in a course on your Teachable school doesn't like your course for some reason, he or she is guaranteed his or her money back in the first 30 days after the student bought the course. And this guarantee comes with the Teachable terms. Therefore, if you are an instructor with a school on Teachable, you have to refund the students who are asking for refunds in the first 30 days after the student buys the course. So, you cannot decide you don't want to do refunds here because on Teachable this is mandatory for the first 30 days after the student's enrollment. By comparison, on Thinkific, according to their terms of services, you are not providing refunds to the students who want their money back. Now, of course, there will be students who could enroll in your courses and could see this as an opportunity for free courses, and they could ask you for a refund within the 30-day window. Still, you need to focus on impacting and help the real students that enroll in your courses for the real change they need. Personally, I offer the 30-day money-back guarantee to every course of mine, not only because it is mandatory by Teachable, but mainly that I don't want unhappy students in my school. My main focus is helping the students and getting them the best results. And one of my missions is to help serious people who decide to change their lives for real. In Thinkific, you can still offer refunds if you want, but this is at your discretion. While on Teachable, as I said, it is mandatory if you use the Teachable payment gateways. Now, let's continue. When you finish editing the checkout page of your course, click on Publish. Getting back to my sales page, I want to add another pricing block, so that a student can choose to enroll for free or support me by paying a symbolic price for my course. Let's preview the page now. If a student chooses to buy the course, there it is our checkout page we have just customized. And here is where the student needs to complete the details of his or her card, and that's it. And then the checkout page looks okay. Now, after the student buys your course, the student will see the thank you page. In order to customize your thank you page, go to Pages and click on Edit Page here. This is how it looks now, and frankly, it is a pretty good thank you page. However, if you decide to personalize it, you can do it in the same way we did in case of the sales page, by building different blocks. And that's it. This is how you can edit and customize course checkout and thank you pages on Teachable. Now is the moment you are waiting for. It's the assignment time. For your assignment, customize the checkout page of your course. Identify the benefits of your course and mention some of them on your checkout page. Then, customize the thank you page of your course. When you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.